Yo, hello everyone. Visuals play a crucial role in your website design. In this video, I will show you how to add images in Webflow, from uploading and optimizing your images to placing them on your web pages and applying various styling options. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So here we are guys. Now let's continue with the tutorial. Simply what you'll have to do next to add image is two things or three things. Either replace an image that has been already added to the site or the template. For example, we have this image over here. We can simply choose to replace the image with another image, as for example this image that I have chosen from my library. This is the first thing. The second thing is by adding the image from zero, from scratch. You can click here and you can just drag down. So let me just drag down like that, and here you find media. So click on image and you can just choose to drag it whatever you'd like. So for example, I have dragged this image to be here. Now I can click here and choose whatever image I'd like it to be in it. For example, let's choose this one, and now we can choose to put it whatever you'd like. So this is the design. You can put it in the middle as like that. Let me just try to move it. I think I'll have to move it like that. So here we go. Um, this one will actually not move it that much. I can even choose the size of it, the fill of it. Here you can choose the display, how it's gonna display it. We can make it invisible. We can make it look as we'd like it to be. Here you can even choose the typography, even though it is not something necessary in the image. We can even add some background into it, as you can see. We can do some clipping background. We can, as you can see here, clip background to content, so it will be only surrounding the image itself. So there is a bunch of options that you can go through, and as you might see here, you can even add kind of a border into it. Just add the width, as you can see, and the border has been added to the section where the image is at. Now let's say that we don't like this section to have the image inside of it. We would like a specific section, a new section from us, to have our image. So all you have to do is click on this add element, then choose a section, drag it and put it whatever you'd like, and here go ahead and choose elements once more and go to the images once more. Choose the image, drag it, and now we have it much better. So image, here we can choose it to be whatever you'd like, as I said before. So here, if I try to add a border, as you might notice here, it will be surrounding only the image itself, not the whole section, since we have chosen a specific section for the image. Now we can move it around. So let me just try to move it around here. I will try to add some spacing. I can drag it all the way down or put it whatever I'd like. So here we go. Now it is into the middle. I can even put it like over here. We can choose it to have empty background. We can choose to remove the border, and that will help the image to be much cleaner. If I clicked here and I have chosen the image, this is the library of images that we have at the moment. So let's try to drag this one, for example, put it here. Now, the images that you can find there are limited. So how you can add much more images to the library? Simply by clicking over here, go to Assets, and click on Upload. Through here, you can simply go to Documents or Download and choose whatever image you'd like to add. Just make sure guys that the file size is not passing 30 megabytes. So here we go, I'm going to choose this image and here it is. Now I have added it. You can choose it to be small, big, or even medium in size depending on what you'd like to have. So let me just add here like 50%. It has been much smaller. So guys, as you can see here, everything is actually adjustable. You can literally adjust everything. You can even make it visible, invisible, and make it fill, contain, or even cover the whole thing. It is all up to you. This is, as I said, the two ways on how you can adjust literally the images, add images inside of your Webflow templates. This is from scratch. So this step that I showed you now is from scratch. So you have nothing. You already have no section. So I showed you how to add the new section by clicking here on assets, on add element I mean, and then dragging a new section or a container. You can choose whatever you'd like from these, and then you add the image or the media image from here and drag it over the section that you have chosen. Now for the image that I've showed you, you can just click on assets, and from here you can upload new images as you'd like and do whatever you'd like with these images. So it is as simple as that. And for the images that you have already on your template, so the most of us are going to choose an already made template. So this template will have images already on them. So how you can change them, just click on the image and then click on it by right click, like so, and replace the image with whatever thing you'd like it to be replaced with. It is as simple as that, guys. So it will not take a lot of time for you to understand or lots of energy to do so. It can take maximum like 10 minutes to fully change all every image on the template that you are having to fit the purpose of your site in general. So guys, before we get to finish with this video, here are some tips from Reddit for you to help you go through Webflow without any problems. For example, now since we are talking about images, this guy was trying to upload image or images to his Webflow websites, but the file sizes are very big. They are usually like between 4 and 5 megabytes. So Webflow won't upload the images that are higher than 4 megabytes. So that can really annoying for some people. So here are some kind of answers. So here we go. If we go all the way down here, so here photos JPG require transparency PNGs per megabyte. JPG have a much higher resolution quality with PNG. So that can actually help you to decide which quality you'd like to have your images in. You want them to be on JPG or PNGs. So this is something that can help you. You can even find, or if you are on Mac, you can buy Image Optim. It's the best compression app. So it is an application that will compress the file size of the image and will make it like possible for you to add those images to your website. And finally, here there is Try Tiny PNG. This is an like a website that will allow you to simply just drop here a file, so you can put up max to 20 image, max 5 megabytes for each, and it will like reduce the size of these images to whatever you'd like. Of course, if you went for the premium version, you may find much more than that. And yeah guys, that was completely it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.